So now we will start the accessibility, that is the step number 37. So before starting that, you need to remember that for this purpose you need to install a Chrome extension. This is also mentioned in the SAP UI5 walkthrough documents, but I will also mention in the description. So let's start. So in that view and that the overview pages, that is the controller view and that overview. Okay, so that overview, we just calling that to view. So here we have to add, that is the page, and that is the basically that is the content. So what we will do, we will add insert that pages, that is called landmark info, and then page accessibility landmark info. Okay, so here then we have to add some that is root rule, that is region, then root level. This level will come from that I18N, overview, root level, then content rule, it is the main. So then content level, it is again come from that I18N, overview, content level, then header rule, that is banner, and then header level, that is also come from the I18N overview, header level. Later we will add this, and then in the invoice list we have to add in the panel. So invoice list, you know, that is already, so that is the invoice list HTML, and in the last video we defined the table, so that is the first tag. So we will start from here. So we will add a panel, accessibility role, that is what I mentioned, region, then here header toolbar, that's the same way, then the toolbar inside that toolbar, then the title, title text, it is also coming from that I18N. Then invoice list title, this title is finish. Then toolbar, just after the title we'll add that only toolbar space, toolbar spacer. Okay, so then we'll add a search field. It is the 50% and search. This is the method we have to define on filter invoices. So later we will define this. Now we just edit this function, and this panel is started here and it is stopped here, but actually we will add at the end so that it will cover everything. Okay, and the hello panel view, in that hello panel view we also have to add that. So here the hello panel is already, panel is there, and also here that is the content and that is the expanded. Okay, so inside that we have to add the accessible route, it is the region. Okay, so now what we have to do in that, so we use that so many I18N. So if we go to the I18N properties, we need to add this. This was overview root level, it is overview page, then overview header level, header overview content level, then page content, then rating title, rate the product. So here it should be like this and it's like this. So here actually it is a rating title. So now if we go to and if we refresh, then you can see like, so here this is installed here. So if you just click on here, you can just actually there is a different type of panel. If you just click on here and it will just view. So that's it. So let's continue with the build your application with the next video. Thank you.